Andrew is singing tonight in there, so I'm gonna go and watch him. Because I'm a good friend.
Don't make a face, dude. I'll blame you. I will dislike your video.
No, don't dislike it. Everybody should like it. You nervous? Don't be nervous.
I'm not nervous.
Don't be nervous.
I've done this.
We're not nervous.
I've done this thousands.
It's not like you're doing it in front of a live stream. And like there's probably like a few hundred people.
No, I've sung in front of 5,000 people.
Okay, well this should be nothing.
You're on YouTube now.
Yes, we all are. I don't care. I don't care.
I do.
Oh! You're gonna be singing, and I'm gonna get flagged for copyright. Good.
Before I mess up, please.
Okay, I will.
No.
I'll cut it right when you mess up.
Here, one of our young men in our youth group, and also Sergey Marchenko. Together, they're going to be doing a song that you're going to love. It is well with my soul. God bless you.
Good job.
Dude, I'm gonna eat that. I'm gonna swallow it whole, and then I'll give it back to you in like 13 hours.
Lens first.
That's like we have to put.
Now try. No, don't.
I was gonna say I don't want to like ruin your camera.
And yes, that was gum.
Which one do I want?
Look at this. Oh, I dropped it in there.
If I drink water.
You're supposed to clean them. Right.